Hi, this is Nick with the Jenkins Group, powered by eXp Realty, and today I'm talking about how to get the most bang for your buck when it comes to remodeling your home. Obviously, if you're going to invest your time and your money into remodeling and making your home nicer before you go on the market, you want to make sure you're getting a return for that. So here are a few of the best items to tackle before you get your home on the market. Now, upgrading is a great way to build value in your home, but some upgrades are just not going to be worth the cost. And it depends also on the specifics of your home. But let's just talk about some of the things that are going to cost you rather than bringing value to your home. Now, if you're going to start an upgrade project, make sure that you plan to finish it and make sure that you're going to create consistency throughout the home. So if you're going to be redoing flooring in one room, you can't have flooring that's complete in the living room and then have other rooms feel like the buyer's still going to need to complete that. It's really important to have a finished product in order to get the most value out of the work that you've done. And if you are going to start remodeling that kitchen, make sure that you plan on actually finishing it and you're going to see it through all the way to the end. Sometimes the projects can be a little bit more than we anticipate, and if you're not able to see it through, it's going to end up costing you rather than creating value for you at the end of the day, and that's the last thing you want to do. Adding to your home's value is possible. It's just important to pick strategically the things that you're going to upgrade. You know, there are whole businesses that are built around remodeling homes completely and improving their value, but the cost of that and the time that you put into that tends to be too much for the average person to do, and that's why usually they buy houses at a discount and then take on that work. That being said, you can still make an improvement without spending all of your time and money. You can approach things strategically by targeting things that buyers are going to see first, making a good first impression. For example, landscaping. When people pull up to the home, it's one of the first things they're going to see, and you can have an opportunity to make a good first impression. Or replacing damaged carpet or flooring throughout the house, and maybe painting the house if there's scuffs on the walls. These things might not cost a lot of money, but they can make a big impact in the perception that buyers have when they walk into your home. Finally, I want to touch on one of the most important factors that you need to consider when you're doing the work, and that's the contractor who's going to be doing the work for you. It's important to have a great contractor, number one, to assure that you're going to have a high quality job done, but also to make sure that you hit timelines. If you're planning to sell your home this summer and you don't have the work done by the time that it needs to be done, you're not going to be in a good position to sell your home, and then you've got to decide whether you're going to rush to find another contractor to help finish it on time, or you're going to put the house on the market with a partially completed project. Again, that's not a position you want to be in, so make sure that you hire the right person to do the job. It may not always be the cheapest person that's the right person, but you want to make sure you're getting a good deal as well. So find the right person and get the job done on time and with quality work. Ultimately, every home is unique, and if you're thinking about making upgrades to your home to add value specifically, feel free to reach out to take a strategic approach and go over it with a professional. I'm more than happy to help in any way I can. You can contact me at the information below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.